mandamos. Estamos aquí outro día máis. Vamos mirar a ver se podemos facer os logros do xogo. Estaría ben, non? Estaría moi ben. A ver se non hai problemas como onte co son. Non sei por que onte. Se unha cousa rara o son. Veña que sí. Vale. Que tiñamos este? Vale. Continuamos. Eu non sei se facer os 15 mapas. Ese é fácil, en principio. Vale, vamos a mirar. Temos por aquí. Ben, aquí que temos. Vale. E hemos metido unha ambulancia e un coche de patrulla máis. Como temos cartos de sobras. Ui, estamos perdendo. No, pero acabamos de gastar, nada. Sin nada. Armado. Unha chuspeta.
What's your emergency?
There's a strange car parked here.
¿Dónde?
Where's the car parked?
In the shopping mall parking.
Es que esto es por ignorarlo, ¿sabes? Es como, mira, dime dónde carallo es.
So what is it about this parked car that has you concerned?
Private cars are not allowed to park here.
Why is that, sir?
It's for safety reasons. Maybe I'm overreacting, but could you send the police to check it?
Sí, venga.
Yes, of course. I'll send the police to check the car.
Vamos a perder esa eficacia.
Bye.
¿Y qué? Pues, tipo aquí, tipo acá. Ah, vale. Porque vaya aquí a esta ambulancia. Non tiña un aquí abaixo. Que raro. Vale, logo ponemos ben eso. Oh, non perdimos nada. Ah, tipo aquí.
911, what's your emergency?
Hello? Could you do something about those idiots?
Where are they?
They're under my window.
A ver, dirección
Give me the
Cona.
precise address of the incident.
Oh yes, it's at...
Please describe what exactly these men are doing.
They're being assholes, acting aggressively to anyone who comes near them. They're shouting, pushing, throwing things. It looks like they're wanting to get into a fight with someone.
How many of them are there?
There's two of them.
Hay dos.
Have they injured anyone?
Not that I can tell. Oh, they just started fighting with someone. One of them punched him. He fell into the ground. Jesus Christ! They're taking him. All of them. They're taking him.
Okay, ma'am, I've got the ambulance on the way. Just wait for it, okay?
Okay. Thank you for your help.
113, Lieutenant. The lost group of individuals that can't find our suspect.
Injured on board.
Estamos ya, ¿no? Hostia. F.
113, Lieutenant. At 1011 on 11652 Sutton.
On my way to the hospital.
113, Lieutenant. At 1011.
Standing by. Reporting. On my way.
On my way.
I'm grabbing over and just getting out of the base.
5DVO, 10-5 that
2247 West Monroe.
Reporting. Understood. We're ready.
Gato en árbol. Muy bien.
Ready for the next case.
Wait for an allocation on the 779 date. Case solved. We're ready. 10-4.
Bem, 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 bem. Ay. Vale. Es que estoy por abandonar el chisme este, ¿eh? Voy a hacerlo por lo menos solo de 15.
911, what's your emergency?
Hey, there was a robbery
How long ago did this happen?
a moment ago.
Are your attackers still in the area?
They ran away down the road.
Where did this happen?
Around,
Do you have any injuries?
no, we are fine.
Did they have any weapons?
Yes, a bat and a knife.
All right, sir. We'll take care of it. Just wait for emergency services to arrive.
Yeah, I will.
Bem, 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 bem.
What are the orders?
Bem, bem, bem. Vale.
What are the orders heading over
Realmente
there?
armado.
Done here. Reporting. Object. Understood.
Sorry, 10-4, thank you.
On air. I'm on desk. 10-4. 5-6-16 Craft Avenue. There's nothing here.
911, what's your emergency?
There's a fire here,
Where are you, sir?
in front of...
So what's on fire?
It's a garage.
What kind of a garage is it?
It's a parking garage.
Is the fire spreading anywhere?
Yes.
The fire department is on the way.
Okay.
Ahora listo. Adiós. Igual debería haber preguntado si había alguien. Vamos a mandar esto. Bueno, damos esto aquí. Sí, vale. Vamos a mandar esto por esas moscas.
Reporting. Understood.
What are the orders? Heading over there.
Vale, no te falla.
We're ready. Affirmative. I'm grabbing all of them, just getting out.
¿Esto es qué?
Alade Road.
Yeah, I'm leaving Ashley. That's gonna be a 90 to show me going to the other 10-11. 5-6-16 Craft Avenue. Wait for an allocation.
Case resolved.
Es una eficacia. ¿Por qué cara llevo una
911, what's
eficacia?
your emergency?
I've got someone here who's having a hard time trying to breathe.
Where did it happen?
In a shopping mall.
Could you give me an address?
En serio, gente.
Please be precise. In which shop exactly?
In the pet store.
Could you be more specific? Who can't breathe?
I don't know her. I was just walking by when she said she couldn't breathe.
What exactly was she doing?
She was on her mobile phone.
It might be the effect of stress. Try to calm her down.
Okay. Hey, you need to breathe deeply. Everything will be fine. Breathe in. Out. Is it better? I don't think it's helping. We need an ambulance.
Wait for the ambulance. It's on the way.
Okay, yeah, I'll wait with her. Bye.
11:25. Can you go to the radio room?
Case resolved.
Macho, tiña un 100% de eficacia e ao topar o chiño este, os ladróns, váisame, non entendo eso. Non sei por que vais. É que non ten sentido. Para mí non ten sentido. Entonces,
10-4. Waiting for order. Heading over there. Case solved.
para mí non ten sentido. Aí.
10-4.
Vou por aquí.
Affirmative. Affirmative.
Ti vas a ir para aquí.
Copy. Going there.
Aquí. ¿Dónde vas? Ahí. También un policía aquí. Tío por aquí. Tío, ahí estás, bueno.
911, what's your emergency?
Hello? There are some guys here fighting. Can you do something about it?
How many of them are there?
2 men are, oh wait, they're not fighting anymore. One of them is lying in the street now. I think the second man left.
Can you give me a precise address of the incident?
Yes, of course. It's at...
So those other guys who were fighting, did you see where they went?
I have no idea.
Could you check his medical condition?
I'll do that. What should I do?
Is he breathing?
1 second. Yes.
Does he have any injuries that you can see?
His face doesn't look good, but apart from bruises and a bleeding lip, I don't see any serious wounds.
I'm sending emergency services right now.
Thank you. Bye.
Pues mira este. Vale, un sospechoso, nada. No me preocupa. A ver este. A ver que falle este. Vale. Pues a ver si tengo que mandar también a policía. Pero no falla. No me gustan nada las patrullas que van, macho. Ah, vale. Que esto. Patente. Grabar este. Este. Los bomberos son los que mejor buscan. No sé si mandarán más gente. O mandar este también. Aquí también. Que queda poco tiempo. Vamos a mandar este también. Y este también. Bueno.
Where are you calling from? Did you see him pass out?
No, he was on the ground when I found him.
Is he breathing?
Yeah, I think he's breathing.
I'm sending an ambulance to check up on him. Can you wait there, please?
Sure, fine. 113, Lieutenant.
Vale, esto creo que eso está. Este. Aquí la policía.
Object not found.
On my way to hospital.
Ready for the next case. Ready for the next case.
Un ferido. Ah, come on, baby. Pero eso, non sei por que me baixou outro. O da búsqueda. É unha búsqueda. Non sei. Oh, vale. Ai, ai. Tamén, acabo de espirrar. Achis. Vale, bombeiro. Bombeiro. Dame igual, non? Este mesmo. Vale, equipamiento. Pica. Ahora déjame mirar. Que creo que había un. Déjame mirar un momentillo. No, policía no era. Este. Este por. Este. Es para subirlos todos ao máximo. Vale. Listo, ¿no? Bombeiros estamos todos. Ya no tengo ningún con 3 estrellas. No sé si es bo o malo, pero ahí está. Vale. Pues eso, no sé, esas. Tenemos 45 incidencias, tío. Ya no sé cuándo voy a subir. Contar despliegue. Vamos a mover una ambulancia. No, pero aquí están separadas. Ah, sería que... Vale, igual era que foi ao hospital, vale. Vale, non estaba ben. Foi ao hospital e por iso estaban aquí as dúas ambulancias. Porque esta está no hospital.
Reporting 10-4.
Me parecía a mí un pouco raro. Porque habíamos mirado onte. Estaba ben. Aquí.
911, what's your emergency?
She can't breathe. What should I do?
Where did it happen?
In our house.
Could you give me an address? Could you be more specific? Who can't breathe?
My grandma.
Okay, how old is she?
Had her birthday last
Sudando, macho. Vai frío, pero aquí estou sudando.
Don't tell me she's going to die.
What exactly was she doing?
I don't know. Walking? Nothing special, I guess.
Does she have any tight clothing? If so, you might have to loosen it a bit.
Okay, I'll unbutton her shirt. Okay, done.
What is she doing right now? Is she standing? Is she sitting? Is she lying down?
Sitting.
Eu nunca sei.
How can I help her?
Help her assume the tripod position. She should sit or stand leaning forward and then support her upper body with her hands on her knees.
Okay, that sounds complicated, but we'll try to do that. Okay, just bend over
Eu mandei un ambulante, non? Hasta aquí.
It'll help you breathe, please. Done. What's next?
Wait for the ambulance. It's on the way.
Okay, yeah, I'll wait with her. Bye.
2247 West Monroe.
A pesar, macho. Unha vez que se me morreu a bella. Ai, pobrecita.
On my way to the hospital.
What are the orders? I copy. Going there.
Ben, 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 ben. Sei que vai aquí. Más ou menos.
Heading over there.
O menos da volta, macho.
911, what's your emergency?
My car was stolen
And where did this happen?
in the middle of the street. While I was standing at a red light, he just dragged me out of my car and drove away.
What's the
Dirección.
address of where this happened, sir?
Ya non sei por que.
When was your car stolen?
Just now. I've seen those thieves driving away in my car. Send somebody to catch them.
Okay, I'm gonna need your license plate. Can you give that to me, please?
It's
What color is your car?
red.
What type of car is it?
It was a van.
So how many suspects did you see?
There were two of them.
We're notifying the officers in the area now. They'll see if they can find your car.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Bye, bye.
There's
Ya,
nothing
pescado.
here. Object not found.
Sorry, 10-4, thank you.
Sector clear.
10-4.
Case solved.
Sector clear.
Reporting. I copy.
I'm listening.
Esto está fuera,
Nothing here.
La línea está aquí,
Sector clear. Object not found.
Reporting. I copy. Going there.
You got any?
Waiting for instructions. I copy. Going there. Waiting for on my way. What are the orders? Heading over there.
Sorry, 10-4, thank you.
911, what's your emergency?
Hello? I would like to report a robbery.
Where did this happen?
Around
Nada, otro de búsqueda.
How long ago did this happen? just stay there and wait until the ambulance arrives.
Sure.
Are your attackers still in the area?
They took a car and drove away.
Did they have any weapons?
Yeah, one of them had a gun.
Can you describe the car?
It was a red pickup, but I don't know the plates.
We'll take care of it. Just wait for emergency services to arrive.
Yeah, I will.
Ciao pescado. Let's go. Vale, listo.
Ready for the next case.
Ti sono per sbagliare qui.
Sector clear.
Case resolved.
Vale.
Waiting for
Mira,
instructions. I copy. Go in there.
camino. ¿Qué? Max, hombre. Ven pa' aquí.
Sector clear.
I copy.
There's nothing here.
Standing by. What are the orders?
Vale, tipo aquí.
On my way.
Beh, en vez de ir los dos en un coche, van... Anda que... ¿Cuánto se queda este? Ya le queda, Sí, sí. Este.
Got any FTOs with PPO info? Waiting for instructions. I copy. I copy. Go in there. Heading over there. Waiting for. I copy. Go in there.
911, what's your emergency?
Hello? My stomach hurts really bad.
What's your address, sir? So how long have you had this stomach pain?
About an hour ago. It started suddenly.
All right, does anything else hurt?
I have a terrible headache.
Sir, have you drank alcohol lately?
What? No, it's not a hangover.
So, do you have any other symptoms?
No, I don't think so.
Okay, I'll send the ambulance.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
A ver, ¿este
I'll
cuánto te
wait for
queda?
them to get here. Bye.
Chao pescado. Vale, ahora mandamos este por aquí. Dos armados. Uf.
Waiting for. Heading over there. Waiting for instructions. Ready for the next.
Standing by.
There's nothing.
Heading over there.
Reporting. 10-4. We're under fire. Need backup. Need backup.
2247 West Monroe.
I'm grabbing over and just getting out.
Object not found.
Job's done.
FTO order recruit for that gun turn and give some experience.
5DVO 10-5. Standing by.
Mira, no me baixou.
What are the orders?
Interesante.
Heading over there.
Sospechoso.
Reporting. What
Sí.
are the orders? On my way.
Ready for the next case.
Vale, este está. Vamos a analizar este aquí. ¿Qué pasa aquí? No tengo ni idea.
Heading over there. Waiting for. Heading over there.
911, what's your emergency?
Hello? There are some guys here fighting. Can you do something about it?
How many of them are there?
There are two of them.
Can you give me the
Dirección.
precise address of the incident?
Yes, of course. It's at...
Did you see if they had any weapons?
One of them picked up some kind of club.
Is anybody injured?
I don't think so. They've just started and they're mostly shouting and pushing each other.
I'm sending emergency services right now.
Thank you. Bye.
Vale, este era este. Este son dos sospechosos. Este uno mandar aquí.
Go in there.
Y ahora.
Waiting for instructions.
Sí, por aquí.
What are the
Sí, vas a ir por aquí por esas moscas.
Shots fired. Requesting backup.
113, Lieutenant.
Oh, macho.
We're 10-4.
case resolved? On my way to the hospital. We're under fire. Need backup. Need backup.
Vale, un, dos. Faltame.
Requesting support.
Estos sospechosos. Vale.
What are the orders? On my way. Waiting for instructions.
Vamos a darle este también. Listo. ¿Este qué?
On my way to the hospital.
911, what's your emergency?
Hello? There's been a car crash.
Where did the collision happen?
Around
When did it happen?
5 minutes ago.
Are there any injuries?
Yes, one person's injured.
Are any of the vehicles blocking traffic?
Yes, one of them can't be moved.
Do you know who caused the accident?
It was my fault.
Can you tell what kind of injuries they have?
One of the passengers
Rest.
said stomach hurts really badly.
Okay, just make sure they don't move until the ambulance arrives.
Sure.
All right, sir. Please wait for the emergency services to arrive.
Okay, thank you. Sorry, I got a situation on 70 yards, the Civilization Street, Denver. Under 1K, boy.
113, Lieutenant, at 1011.
What are the orders? I copy. Go in there. Injured on board.
We're ready. Affirmative. Reporting. Affirmative. Standing by. What are the orders?
113, Lieutenant.
If there's any FTO or crew for that gun turning, give us some experience.
Case resolved.
D39 is going to be a 90.
Reporting.
Vale, tirar
I
para
copy.
aquí.
Go in there. On my way.
Aquí.
What are the orders? Heading
por
over
ahí.
there. Waiting for
Aquí,
instructions.
por
On
aquí.
my way.
Aquí, ahí estás bien.
Reporting.
Vamos a meter esta ambulancia
Heading over
aquí.
there.
Esta ambulancia por aquí.
Ready for the next case.
Ahí tengo dudas aquí.
What are the orders?
2247 West Monroe.
Heading over there.
Sorry, 10-4, thank you.
Por un segundo, Cando pasamos, tío? Non o entendo. Reputación. Será 2000 de reputación. Vale, vamos a mirar. ¿Esto qué? Tenemos una baixa. Pum, 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 pum. Ay, ay, un día. ¿Este es qué? Tenía este. Vamos a sacar este. Vale. Este estaba, ¿no? Sí, estos están los 4 top. Aquí tenemos un lesionado. Y aquí 3 que no hicieron nada. Veña, vamos a ver se facemos o logro. É que non entendo. Cometer servicio.
You got any FTOs with a PPO? 12?
Sospechoso.
I'm listening. Heading over there.
Oh, yeah, I'm on that.
Reporting. Heading over there.
2247 West Monroe.
Ay.
911, what's your emergency?
Hello? There's an unconscious man here on the pavement.
Where are you calling from?
Around.
As veces escritas é moi baixinho a veces.
Did you see him pass out?
No, he was on the ground when I found him.
Is he breathing?
Yes. Breath smells so bad.
Apesta, que espesta.
Does he have any visible injuries?
Que escoites é moi baixinho.
And there's some blood on his face.
I'm sending an ambulance.
Okay, thanks. Sorry, I got a situation on 70 yards,
O sospechoso.
Heading over there.
If there's any FTO or crew for that gun turning, give us some experience. 1125
5 festa. Vale, este. Vamos a meter este. Este también. Así supongo que irá un chisco más rápido.
911, what's your emergency?
I want to report a kidnapping.
Joder.
Ma'am, who's been kidnapped?
My dog.
Excuse me?
My dog. Someone took her.
What happened?
Someone must have taken her from my purse. She was playing there like 10 minutes ago and now she's gone.
How does the dog look like?
She's the size of a cat. Black. Wearing a red coat.
No se había rozado can, caracho.
My dog. Please.
É um palheiro. O quê?
What's the address of the place where she was last seen? I'll notify the proper forces. They'll conduct a search.
Thank you. Goodbye. Oh my god.
Goodbye.
Non debería de buscar, creo eu. A verdade é que non sei. My dog!
Heading over there. Report. Standing by.
Heading over there.
5DVO, 10-5 that location. What are the orders? I copy. Going there. What are the orders? 10-4. On my way. Reporting. On my way.
My way. My way, my way. Buah.
Reporting. Heading over there.
13 King 84.
Ready for the next case.
79337 in talk, please. Wait for the location on the 77.
Non penso lavarmi i senti.
1125, can you go to the radio room?
56-16 Craft Avenue. We're ready. 113 Lieutenant.
Vale, este.
I copy. Going there.
13 King 84.
5DVO, 10-5 that location.
Ataque do corazón.
What are the orders? On my way.
911, what's your emergency?
It's burning here. Please, send help.
Oh. Ata non lle pagaron ben para actuar,
In front of
What's burning, ma'am?
a garage.
What kind of garage is that?
It's an underground garage.
Is the fire spreading?
I don't think so.
Okay, I'm sending the fire department right now.
Good. Bye.
Ay, dame jugada. Vale, aquí, por aquí. A cosa es que, como dices, co can do caracho. Non ambulancia, tío.
Shots fired. Requesting backup.
Buah.
Lieutenant at 1011 on 11650.
Buah, buah.
What are the orders? Heading over there.
What are the orders? Affirmative.
Waiting for instructions. Heading over there.
1125, can you go to the...
I'm listening.
911, what's your emergency?
My car was stolen
Where did this happen?
in the middle of the street. While I was standing at a red light, he just dragged me out of my car and drove away.
What's the address of where this happened, sir?
It happened at
Okay, I'm gonna need your license plate. Can you give that to me, please?
it's
What color is your car?
purple.
What type of car is it?
It was a van.
So how many suspects did you see?
There were two of them.
We're notifying the officers in the area now. They'll see if they can find your car.
Thank you.
Ai, non é de búsqueda? Ah, se non é de búsqueda, vas por aí.
I copy. Going there.
Case resolved.
On my way to hospital.
Vale, este está. Joder, tenía este ferido también. Joder, macho.
Reporting. I copy. Going there.
Mm.
Case resolved.
What are the orders? Heading over there.
Waiting for orders. Right away. What are the orders? 10-4.
911, what's your emergency?
Yeah, hello. There is a fight out in the street. Can you please send the police quickly?
How many of them are there?
There are 2 of them.
Did you see if they had any weapons?
Arda.
One of them
Dirección.
picked up some kind of club.
Can you give me a precise address of the incident?
Yes, of course. It's at...
Is anybody injured?
I don't think so. They've just started and they're mostly shouting and pushing each other.
I'm sending emergency services right now.
Thank you. Bye.
On my way.
On my way.
Standing by.
Joder.
I copy. Going there. Case reporting. 10-4. We are ready. Affirmative.
Corte de línea.
Shots fired. Requesting backup.
¿Por qué faz eso, rapaz? ¿Otra vez?
Got injured going to
Un
the
gato.
hospital.
Ay, un gato.
We're done here.
No me gusta nada que marchen a las ambulancias sacando ahí puede haber algo
10-4.
grave por ahí.
911, what's your emergency? If you can't talk, please press any digit on your phone, okay?
Oh.
All right. Please press the button once if you're in a hostage situation and can't talk. Okay. I want you to press the button on your phone for each person there who's threatening you.
3.
Do they have any weapons? Press once for yes, twice for no. Is this a
Armas.
terrorist attack? Press once for yes, twice for no. All right, we have your location. Is it...
Cajoneada.
For your own safety, we should hang up. Please turn off your phone or put it in silent mode so they can't hear it. Remain calm and wait for the police to get there.
Reporting. Heading over there.
We're 10-4. I'm listening. Right away.
Waiting for instructions. On my way.
I'm listening. Heading over there. Heading over there.
No creo que llegue antes. O sí. Debería de llegar.
Reporting. Affirmative.
Standing by.
Reporting. I copy.
Reporting. On my way.
Reporting.
¿Dónde va? Ah, va a llegar.
Support. Requesting support. 2247 West Monroe.
Standing by. Injured on board.
¿Qué oficiemos de reputación? 56, o sea que tenemos 2000, ¿no? Sí, 2030. No pasamos de... ¿Cuánto pasamos? ¿Ya 50 o qué? Pues mierda. No miréis si tenía baixas o algo. Pero que no me vais a dar nada, ¿no? No, vale. Vale, déjame mirar. Aquí teníamos a Brian. 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 Brian, 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 Brian. 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 Y aquí. No. Os bombeiros. Pero os bombeiros nada, porque non teño o maior é este. E mira, teño outro. Claro. Vale, pues nada. Comenzamos. Comenzamos. Los sospechosos.
Waiting for understood. Waiting for understood. I'm listening. Heading over there.
Ay, ay, ay.
Nine 911, what's your emergency?
Ay,
I'm listening right away.
What are you heading over there?
Ah, mira, de un meten. Vos a ver.
I'm listening. Heading over there. Case resolved.
Vale, vale, este va ahí, este... Podemos meter por aquí. Ah, búsqueda. Se está un humo.
Reporting. I copy. Going there.
On my way to the hospital.
I'm grabbing over and just getting out of the base. I'll send 3 Houston to Ross.
Más está. O fume de carallo. Oxe, miércoles.
911, what's your emergency?
Hello? I would like to report a robbery.
Where did this happen?
Around...
How long ago did this happen?
Just a few minutes ago.
Do you have any injuries?
Yeah,
Where were you hit?
it's my head. I'm bleeding.
Okay.
Bleeding.
I want you to just stay there and wait until the ambulance
Está
arrives.
sangrando por la cabeza.
Are your attackers still in the area?
They took a car and drove away.
Did they have any weapons?
Yeah, one of them had a gun.
Can you describe the car?
It was a red pickup, but I don't know the plates.
We'll take care of it. Just wait for emergency services to arrive.
Yeah, I will.
Igual, eso será un poco. Puede ser. Ay, vale. Repeat. ¿Qué podéis lamentar? A ver, ¿esto qué? Vale.
Reporting. Heading over there.
I'm ready for the next case. Reporting. 10-4. 10-4.
Vale, está.
There's nothing here.
¿En serio no está buscando Inda? ¿Hola? Alzheimer.
Heading over there. Injured on board.
911, what's your emergency?
Hello? My stomach hurts really bad.
What's your address, sir? So how long have you had this stomach pain?
I've been feeling awful since this morning, and it feels like it's getting worse by the hour.
All right, does anything else hurt?
No, I can't feel anything except the pain in my belly.
Okay, I'll send the ambulance.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Está igual, vais a
When
ver,
I
pero
get
bueno.
here. Bye.
Case solved. What are the orders?
Pienso.
Affirmative. Waiting for right away.
Oh,
Reporting. Understood. I'm
perdón.
listening. Heading over there.
2247 West.
Vale.
Requesting air the situation on 77 go and going down to straight pace.
Es que cómo van.
So gotta get visit and heaven out all the stuff that we got. So requesting help 787.
That's 1K, boy.
I'll wait for
We're done here. Affirmative.
5DVO, 10-5 that location.
copy that over.
Alade Road.
Yeah, I'm leaving Ashley. That's gonna be in the
Standing by.
What are the orders? I copy. Going there.
Standing.
What are the orders? Heading over there.
We're ready. 10-4. I'm listening. Understood.
Ven, así para acá.
Understood.
911, what's your emergency?
You have to help her. She says her chest feels like it's being crushed and she can't breathe. Is she having a heart attack?
Where did it happen?
We're in the gym.
Could you give me an address?
It's
What exactly was she doing?
she just finished her cardio.
Shortness of breath might be a result of exhausting exercises. Tell her to rest for a while, okay? She needs to breathe deeply and calmly.
Okay. Hey, you need to breathe deeply.
Respira, Cona. Vas a morrer. No creo que le ayude.
Is it better? I don't think it's helping. We need an ambulance.
What is she doing right now? Is she standing? Is she sitting? Is she lying down?
She's standing.
Help her assume the tripod position. She should sit or stand leaning forward and then support her upper body with her hands on her knees.
Okay, that sounds complicated, but we'll try to do that. Okay, just bend over and put your hands on your knees, okay? I'll help you breathe, please. Done. What's next?
Ahora espera.
Wait for the ambulance. It's on the way.
Okay, yeah, I'll wait with her. Bye.
Ah,
Injured on board.
no sé ni qué era. ¿Qué era esto?
Object spotted.
Vale.
10-4, thank you.
Otra vez.
I copy.
Object not found.
What are the orders? Heading over there. I copy. Going there. I copy. Going there. I copy. Going there.
Pero
What are the orders? 10-4.
estoy dando a... O sea, pienso que tenía ambulancia, ¿no? Ay, 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 ay.
We're done here. Sector
Hmm.
clear.
Got injured. Going to the hospital.
Wait, there's nothing here. Heading over there.
I copy. Going there. Reporting. On my way. What are the orders? On my way.
Armado.
Right away.
Armado. Tienes que estar. Tía mía.
Waiting for instructions.
Por aquí.
Going there. What are the orders?
Tía aquí.
On my way.
Tía aquí abajo. Está, ¿no?
Requesting backup.
¿Cómo no? ¿Cómo no? No podía ser un día tranquiliño, sin disparos. No. Tengo que mirar a alguien a tocar la marrana.
Reporting. I copy. Going there. What are the orders? On my way.
911, what's your emergency?
Hello? There's an unconscious man here on the pavement.
Where are you calling from?
Around.
Uy.
Did you see him pass out?
No, he was on the ground when I found him.
Is he breathing?
Wait a second. God, he's not breathing.
No, really?
Is there anyone else there who could help you?
No, I'm alone. There's no one around.
Okay, put your phone on speaker mode and follow my instructions.
I'll hurt him or something.
Sir, you have to help him. You might even face a fine if you refuse.
No way.
I'm gonna send a police officer to check up on him as well, okay? Wait there until he arrives.
Okay, I'm waiting.
Oye, manda a la policía porque tócame os carallo, a xente así, repugnantiños do carallo. É que, en vez de axudar a xente, no, güey, vai tomar por culo. Pero sospechoso, pues, festa.
Reporting. Heading over there.
13 King 84. D39 gonna be at 91. I'll pick up an top. Okay, jump some company on Central. 13 King.
Got injured. Going to hospital.
You got any FTOs? Reporting.
Pero que non, lle multa, tiña que multar, non entendo eso.
We got a visual. I'll wait for an allocation on the 77I date.
We're ready. 10-4.
911, what's your emergency?
Hi, there is a strange car parked here. Could you check it?
Where's the car parked?
It's a restricted area.
Can you give me the address of where this car is parked, sir? So what is it about this parked car that has you concerned?
There is not enough space to walk through.
I'll have an officer check it out and they'll decide if the car should be towed.
Thank you. Bye.
Meter este aquí.
On my way. Ready. Waiting for
Y
instructions.
por
On my
aquí.
way. You got any
Vale.
with a PPO info?
Tenemos otro aquí. Por aquí.
Heading over there.
Así no están aquí todos aglomerados.
I'll wait for an allocation on the 77I date.
Pete, Pipatman.
I'll pick up an top. I'll wait for an allocation on the 77I date.
¿Dónde va este?
Waiting for orders. Understood. Report right away.
Okay, jump some company on Central. D39 gonna be at 91. I'll pick up an top. 113, Lieutenant. I'm grabbing over and just getting out.
Waiting for orders.
We got a visual.
Case right away.
Reporting.
I'll wait for an allocation on the 77I
Ah,
date.
¿esto está o qué?
Got injured. Going to hospital. Standing by.
If there's any FTO.
Pero si no... Ah, vale. Espera. Este millón, ¿no? O este. Este. Pepe. Ay. Vale, ¿qué más? Mira. No, pero estos estaban todos. Vale. Este que sube, eso no. Sube. Mira, este tengo unas buenas estadísticas, Vale. Estamos, ¿no? Venga. Dos máis, creo, xa terminamos, creo.
Waiting for on my way.
Uf.
Reporting. I copy. Going there.
Onde está meu? Aquí arriba.
Waiting on my way.
Normalmente está aquí.
911, what's your emergency?
Hello? My stomach hurts really bad.
What's your address, sir? So how long have you had this stomach pain?
It's about 2 weeks, I guess.
So why haven't you gone to a doctor, sir?
I didn't think it would get so bad, but the pain didn't go away, and now it's even worse.
Okay, I'll send the ambulance.
Thank you. Thank you very much. I'll wait for them to get here. Bye.
Chao, pescado. Vale, cuando pasa este por aquí, mando a este.
Heading over
¿Cuántos
there.
eran? 3.
Waiting for instructions. On my way.
Vou mandar 2 ambulancias. Esas moscas. Para previr. Bebendo, vale. Navallas. Vale. Queda por aquí de momento. Si quedas por aquí. Aló. 5.
What's your emergency?
Hi, there's an unconscious man here.
Where are you calling from?
Around...
Did you see him pass out?
Yeah, I saw him falling.
Does he have a pulse? Is he breathing?
Yeah, he's breathing. Oh wait, he's waking up.
Can you stay with him and make sure he's completely okay?
Sure. Bye.
Tenía por aquí este. Creo que entre este primero. ¿Pero por qué? Bueno. Bueno, este también puede ser moscas. Posiblemente armado, tío. Bueno, tío, de momento... Bueno, sí. ¡Oh! ¡No! Son 4, ¿no?
911, what's your emergency?
Tenía un...
There's this homeless guy bothering me.
Could you please tell me your address?
I'm at...
Okay, so what's going on there?
He's being really aggressive.
I understand. I'm sending the first team available out to you.
Thanks. I appreciate that.
Reporting. I copy. Go in there. What are the orders?
13 King.
On my way.
Parecía un médico, ¿no? Enfermo. Vale, este. Ven, vale. Tenemos aquí este, voy a ir por aquí. Este va a quedar por acá. Bueno, este mismo. Esa policía aquí. Este va para acá. Vale, este para acá. Este por aquí. Este por acá. Vale, este está. Quitamos este. Acá.
911, what's your emergency?
Help! My kitchen is on
No,
fire!
este no, por favor.
Where are you calling from? What's on fire?
My toaster! And the fire's spreading!
Okay, get yourself and anyone else that's in the house out of the house now. The fire department will be there soon.
Okay.
Zoom, jova. Menuda vuelta ten que dar. Ostras. 4 posiblemente armados, joder, macho. Está morto. Sardeur. 76. Ah, merda. Creo que foi por perder ao médico. Ostras, é este?
911, what's your emergency?
I want to report a kidnapping.
Ma'am, who's been kidnapped?
My baby girl.
Okay, how old is she?
She is 5 years old.
When did you see her for the last time?
Just a moment ago.
What's the address of the place where she was last seen?
It's
What happened?
We went to the playground and I only looked away for a moment to say hi to my friend who stopped by. I looked back and she was gone. The other children said, oh my God, that she left with a man.
Muy duro.
What did the man look like?
He was tall, medium build, short dark hair, and kids. What was the man wearing? Okay, thank you. Sir, he had on a brown jacket and dark pants. Oh my God.
We'll need a description, ma'am. What does she look like? And what was she wearing last?
She has blonde hair, green eyes. She was wearing blue leggings, and her favorite pink jacket. She also has her toy pocket.
What's the address of the place where she was last seen?
It's
Non lo dice sa.
I'll notify the proper forces. They'll conduct a search.
Thank you. Goodbye. Oh my God.
Goodbye.
Va, no lo vendo, vale. Esa terminaron. Vale, este también. Luego este. Se puede quedar aquí. No. Movimento, tío. Bueno, probar medio patch.
Object not found.
What are the orders? Heading over there. Waiting for instructions. On my way.
You got any FTOs with a PPO in 12?
D39 is going to be a 91. I'll pick up an intox. 56-16 Craft Avenue.
Está. Este, vale.
113 Lieutenant.
911, what's your emergency?
Hello. I want to report an illegally parked car.
Where's the car parked?
It's a restricted area.
Can you give me the address of where this car is parked, sir? So what is it about this parked car that has you concerned?
Private cars are not allowed to park here.
Why is that, sir?
It's for safety reasons. Maybe I'm overreacting, but could you send the police to check it?
Yes, of course. I'll send the police to check the car.
Thank you. Bye.
113 Lieutenant.
Espera, ¿qué mandé yo aquí? Ah, vale. Vale, ti, se puede subir por aquí. Ti, para aquí. Ti, por acá. Aquí arriba. Vale. Este que veis. Igual por acá. Se va a editar. Vale, listo. Por acá, edit también por acá. ¿Dónde vas? Arriba, vale. Vale, ti vas pasar por aquí abaixo. Este qué? ¿Dónde no está? ¿Eh? ¿Ah? Vale. Mira, un bombeiro xa o 3. E voy. Vale, pois imos a sacalo. Bo traballo, ahora a descansar. Cal subimos este. Este que ten vos stats. Ben, e destes que? Están ben todos. Este... Loca. Loca. Para esta. Pistriña. Non nos deron nada, non? Seguimos con a mesma merda. Vale. Chegamos ao 50. Ese non pasamos. Facemos os dos 15 as 15 cidades. A ver, esto... O sea, peta aburrir un chisco,
I copy. Going there.
911, what's your emergency?
Yeah, hello. There is a fight out in the street. Can you please send the police quickly?
How many of them are there?
4 men are fighting.
Can you give me a precise address of the incident?
Yes, of course. It's at...
Did you see if they had any weapons?
One of them picked up some kind of club.
Is anybody injured?
It's hard to tell, but one of them has taken a lot of punches. I just can't believe he's still standing after that.
I'm sending emergency services right now.
Thank you. Bye.
Está pescado.
Understood. Reporting. 10-4.
Levar outro máis. Ou deixamos así. Deixamos así, creo. Ah, mira, este me veo para baixo.
What are the orders? I copy. Going there.
Sospechoso, vale.
Reporting.
Vale, vas quedar aí baixo.
2247 West Monroe. Sorry, 10-4, thank you. 2247 West Monroe.
56-16 Craft Avenue.
Shots fired. Requesting backup.
Why?
Sorry, reporting. On my way. Waiting for instructions. Heading over there. What are the... On my way. Sorry.
We're ready.
Waiting for... On my way.
We're ready. 10-4. Ready for the next case. Got injured. We're request 10-4. What are the orders?
Porque non entendo, tío. Non entendo porque...
911, what's your emergency?
Hello? I hear a lot of noise coming from the apartment next door. It's keeping my kids up. They can't get to sleep. Can you do something about it?
What's the address you're calling from?
My house is at... I'm in Unit 6.
Do you know what's happening at your neighbor's place?
Some kind of a party, I guess. I hear a lot of voices and loud music.
Do you feel threatened in any way?
Honestly, yes. I don't feel safe.
Do you know who lives there?
Students. There are 4 of them. 1 couple and 2 guys.
Could you tell me why you're not feeling safe?
I've heard some aggressive voices. Maybe an argument. I think they might start fighting at any moment.
Do you think they might have any weapons? Did you hear something that might indicate that they might be armed in any way?
I have no idea.
I'll send a couple of officers over to check things out and see what's going on, okay?
Thank you. I'll be waiting at my place. Bye.
Muy bien.
If there's any FTO or recruit for that gun turning, give us some experience.
Standing by. Waiting for instructions. Case resolved. I copy. Going there. Reporting. I copy. Going there. Waiting for instructions. I copy. Waiting for instructions. On my way. What are the orders?
113.
What are the orders? On my way. Heading over there.
Ready for the next case.
Hola.
Reporting. 10-4.
10-4.
Ambos por unidades parvos. Hostia, vaya estudiantes, ¿no? Que estudian. Mandándose a otra ambulancia por esas moscas.
911, what's your emergency?
Idiots.
Where are they?
They're standing in front of a shop.
How many of them are there?
There's 2 of them.
Could you give me a precise address of the incident?
Oh, yes, it's at...
Please describe what exactly these men are doing.
They're being assholes, acting aggressively to anyone who comes near them. They're shouting, pushing, throwing things. It looks like they're wanting to get into a fight with someone.
Have they injured anyone?
Not that I could tell. They just started fighting with someone. One of them punched him. He fell into the ground. Jesus Christ! They're kicking him. All of them. They're kicking him.
Okay, ma'am, I've got the ambulance on the way. Just wait for it, okay?
Okay. Thank you for your help.
Got injured, going to the hospital.
D39 is gonna be a 91.
Armados.
56-16 Craft Avenue. If there's any FTO or crew for that gun turn and give us some experience.
Reporting. 10-4. Runs the breach on us.
We're under fire.
Ready for the next case. Affirmative.
No, 3.
What are the orders? Heading over there. Reporting. On my way.
Reporting. 10-4.
113, Lieutenant.
Estos terminaron ya.
Heading over there.
Immediate.
Vale, aquí.
Reporting. Heading over there.
What are the orders? 10-4.
911, what's your emergency?
I want to report a fire
Where are you, sir?
in front of
So what's on fire?
some garbage.
So is the garbage in some sort of container or a trash bin?
It's in the trash can.
Are there any inflammable materials near the fire?
No, I don't see any.
Is the fire spreading anywhere?
Yes.
All right, so how big is the fire?
It's kind of big, like the size of a bonfire.
The fire department is on the way.
Okay.
What are
Okay.
the orders? On my way. 10-4. Reporting.
No te quedas ahí por esas moscas.
Reporting. I copy. Going there. Injured on board. Heading over there.
Reporting.
Ven.
Case
Ah, no,
resolved.
esto está, vale. Vale, ti vas por aquí, ti vas por aquí, por aquí.
Reporting.
Reporting.
What are the orders?
Veña, veña.
Got any FTOs with us?
What are the 10-4?
What? Injured. Heading up.
We 10-4.
Waiting for on my way. Waiting for instructions.
Reporting. Affirmative. I copy.
Reporting.
Requesting support.
911, what's your emergency?
My car was stolen
Where did this happen?
in the middle of the street. While I was standing at a red light, he just dragged me out of my car and drove away.
What's the address of where this happened, sir?
It happened at
When was your car stolen?
just now. I've seen those thieves driving away in my car. Send somebody to catch them.
Okay, I'm gonna need your license plate. Can you give that to me, please?
It's
What color is your car?
blue.
What type of car is it?
Muscle car. Expensive one.
Oscar Call.
So how many suspects did you see?
3, I guess.
We're notifying the officers in the area now. They'll see if they can find your car.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Parece que están, vale.
Reporting. I copy. Going there.
Non c'è.
Waiting for instructions. Heading over there.
We are ready. Affirmative. Reporting. Affirmative.
Shots fired. Requesting backup. Waiting for instructions.
What are the orders? Affirmative.
Vale, este no falla aquí, me para acá.
911, what's your emergency?
Hello? There's been a car crash.
Where did the collision happen?
Around
When did it happen?
just a moment ago.
Are there any injuries?
Yes, one person's injured.
Are any of the vehicles blocking traffic?
No, they're not.
Martina.
Do you know who caused the accident?
But we're still arguing about that. Can you send a policeman to figure it out?
Can you tell what kind of injuries they have?
Just some scratches.
All right, sir. Please wait for the emergency services to arrive.
Okay, thank you. The large group of individuals that can't power up.
Vale, ¿este qué?
5DVO, 10-5 that location.
113, Lieutenant.
We're 10-4.
5DVO, 10-5
Ah.
that location.
10-4.
113, Lieutenant.
Ay. Vale, este va a ir para aquí.
On my way. Waiting for
Sí,
instructions.
para aquí. Estos aquí, estos acá. Estos dos vienen para aquí.
Reporting.
O sea que coño este. Uno mandar para aquí. Cuando entregue. Los pacientes. Este va a ir para acá. Este para acá también. Este vuelve para aquí. Estos están, estos están, estos están. Vale.
Ready for the next case.
Desaparición, os pais.
Affirmative. We're 10-4.
Reporting. I copy. Go in there.
If there's any FTO,
Reporting.
D39 is going to be a 91.
Affirmative.
Listo. Supoño que será pouco tempo. Así levo os bombeiros, porque os bombeiros son os que mellor buscan.
Sector clear.
10-4. Case solved.
Bien. Vale. Ah, vale, que non. Son 3. Non sei por que dicen. Quedan 4. Vale. Joder. Justamente o novato, macho. O novato é o que... Joder, macho. Non me fastidies. Vale, estes están, non? Vale. Estos tamén están todos. Este sí. Listo. Ben. Vamos, non? Equipamento, tal. Vale, este é o 50. Creo. O é o 51. Non, é o 50. Este é o 50, non? Vale, vamos a mirar. A ver se despois deste xa terminamos. Se non... Vou levar este tamén. Casi así dixa un pouco o chisme.
911, what's your
Joder. Está me desaburrindo, ¿sabes? Porque estamos no mesmo mato. Xa levamos 50, tío.
Where's the car parked?
In the shopping mall parking.
Can you give me the address of where this car is parked, sir? So, what is it about this parked car that has you concerned?
Private cars are not allowed to park here.
Why is that, sir?
It's for safety reasons. Maybe I'm overreacting, but could you send the police to check it?
Yes, of course. I'll send the police to check the car.
Thank you. Bye.
if there's any FTO or recruit for that gun turn and give us some experience.
Qué raro, esta vez fue no por aquí. Otra vez queda toda vuelta todo por aquí. Armado. Un asesinato, los dos. Vale, este por aquí. Este por aquí. Buah. Por arriba tengo una metralleta, macho. Ataque epiléptico.
911, what's your emergency?
Hello? My stomach hurts really bad.
What's your address, sir? So how long have you had this stomach pain?
About an hour ago. It started suddenly.
All right. Does anything else hurt?
I vomited half an hour ago.
So, do you have any other symptoms?
I also have diarrhea.
Your symptoms could be signs of something really serious. I'm going to get medical help to you as soon as possible.
Thank you. Thank you very much. I'll wait for them to get here. Bye.
Chao, pescado. ¿Esto qué? Ha desaparecido un enfermo de Alzheimer. Pasa para acá, ti para acá. Por coller outro camión de bombeiros, pero a verdade é que cos bombeiros pouco temos. Unha persona ha informado dun traumatismo por caída. Este que? Canto lle queda? Vale, vale, tibes aquí. Ti que? Vale. La persona ha sido encontrada inconsciente por causas desconocidas. Ha tenido un ferido. Mal. Vale, o bombeiro se pode vir para aquí.
911, what's your emergency? Hello, sir. We got a 911 call from your phone. Do you have an emergency?
Excuse me.
Tenda, senti.
I accidentally called 911.
Sì, veña.
Sir, are you having an emergency?
No, I'm not.
Please lock your phone and make sure you won't call 911 by accident again, okay? That way you won't take up an emergency line for more important calls.
Of course. I'm sorry.
Sorry. Big boy. Ah, mira, que podéis ver aquí. Vale. Te podéis ir al hospital. Ti puedes ir aquí. Ven. Ay, instrucción también. Están trabajando. Mira que trabajador, eso es. Madre mía. Vale, este está. Pero veo que estaba aquí arriba, abaixo. Ay.
911, what's your emergency?
Hello? There were some guys here fighting. Can you do something about it?
How many of them are there?
There are 2 of them.
Can you give me a precise address of the incident?
Yes, of course. It's at...
Did you see if they had any weapons?
One of them picked up some kind of club.
Is anybody injured?
It's hard to tell, but one of them has taken a lot of punches. I just can't believe he's still standing after that.
I'm sending emergency services right now.
Thank you. Bye.
Chao, pescado.
Standing by. Waiting for orders.
Ti aquí.
Heading over there. Reporting.
Ti por aquí. Ti por acá. Listo. Ah, mira, cambié de sitio. Bueno. Este era de aquí arriba, pero bueno. Ahora se está. No entiendo, ¿para qué? ¿Lo de estos parvos o qué? Ya me dirás. ¿De qué sirve? No, no, no. Queda, queda. Queda que este se va... No. Bueno, ahora sí. ¿No llegó?
What's your emergency?
Hi, there's an unconscious man here.
¿Desde dónde? Desde un teléfono.
Did you see him pass out?
No, he was on the ground when I found him.
Is he breathing?
Yeah, I think he's breathing.
Does he have any visible injuries?
There's blood on his face, and he has a black
Ay.
I'm sending an ambulance.
Okay, thanks.
Igual era mayor a la policía, pero bueno. Vale, ¿esto qué es? Mujer embarazada. Vale. Pasaremos un... Es que eso está dando mala, macho. Son 50 misiones, ¿sabes? Un sospechoso armado. Estamos aquí en una ambulancia por si fue falla. Vale. No pasó nada. Un sensato, por lo menos. Un sensato.
What's your emergency?
Help! My kitchen is on
Ah,
fire!
este no, por favor.
Where are you calling from? What's on fire?
The counter! I accidentally threw a cloth on the burner, and the fire spreads quickly!
Okay, do you have a fire extinguisher?
No!
Okay, I want you to stay calm. Carefully cover the fire with a damp towel.
It didn't help! What should I do?
Okay, get yourself and anyone else that's in the house out of the house now. The fire department will be there soon.
Okay.
Como se morren todos. Es que no capturo esta misión.
Sector clear. 113, Lieutenant. I'm grabbing over and just getting out of the base. Object not found.
5DVO, 10-5 that location.
113, Lieutenant. At 1011 on 11652 Sutton. Okay, jump. I'm listening. Understood.
Vale. Lume. Hay un montón de lume en este, ¿no? Estas incidencias para los bomberos. Vale, tenemos un ferido. O Lucas. Vale, tío. Es que no juega, macho. Tenemos 2000 de reputación. Ya, vamos a hacer otro lore. Okay. Isto non ten sentido. Vale, porque estaba intentando facer este logro. Cometa o xogo en dificultade experto, pero... Tío. Sí. Al menos un... Bueno, íbamos a facer este. As de actividades. Carrera. Soy a única. ¿Será este? No, este no. Vale, o de xogo libre igual. Vamos a facer o xogo libre. Vamos a facer... Non. E non. A ver, hombre. Sí. Pero o logro non dicía... Nah. Non foi falla. Vale, vale. Igual entón sí que sirve facerlo aquí en estes. Vale, pero seguimos con Albuquerque, que es lo... Veña. Oh. Antes de llegar a flecha foi-me directo só. Bueno. Vale, ¿esto qué es? No, este es a... Vale. Ah, este é o que tiñas antes. Ah, o sea que sí que... Cardoume, vale. Ok. Vale, este está. Vamos a facer xogo libre Amsterdam. Experto. En cada. Hai que facer un en cada, non? Continuar. Vimos mirar a ver que temos por aquí. Temos 13.000. Equipamento, vehículos, persoal. Vale, este. Temos un helicóptero. Oh, guai, ¿no? Vale, vehículos nada. Con 13.000 non facemos moito. Bombeiros. Equipamento, non temos nada de equipamento. Interesante. Pois para a publicidade vai me facer falla. Vale, persoal. Vamos por partes. Vamos a meter por lo menos as persoas, non? Vale, ti por aquí. O de 90. Tal e tal. Ben, nos falla 3 pistolas por lo menos. Equipamento. Sí, vamos a coller pistolas de momento. Vale, chalecos. Non sei coller chalecos. Terminais tamén sería unha boa idea, pero os chalecos son o máis baratos, 1.500. Quedanos 10.000, vale. Deixame mirar aquí. Persoal 66, 75, 23. Vale, estos son 3.000 os kits. ¿Te puede levar el senti? Vale. Ben, bombeiros. Tenemos un en cada. Vale. Déjame mirar al persoal, que cuánto están, 2.000. Pero tampoco son así gran cosa. Bueno, solamente para un, o sea que tanto me daba. Equipamento. Ferramentas, 3.000. No, eu creo que o mellor era... Hai os cans. Onde están os cans? 1.500, 2.000. Os drones, igual compramos aquí os drones para que vaya máis rápido ou que? Bronze. 1500 serían 3000, 4500. 3500. No, pero necesitamos. Estos son 3000. 1, 2, 3, 4. Serían 12.000, no me da. Voy a comprar chalecos. 3, 4. Nada para todos. Vale, quédame 1000. Con 1000 podemos comprar un dron. Sprays, los sprays. Podemos comprar. Ah, no, un dron no me da. Los sprays. Vale, dimos levar 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Vale, un spray para ti y otro para ti. Vale, pues sí. Estaría más o menos. Vale, falta el personal de las calles, pero bueno. ¿Qué es esto? Voilà. Waka. Vale, tenemos un 2. Ah, tenemos una moto. Vale, moto. Sí, para arriba. Moto para aquí. Sí, para medio. Sí, por aquí. Vale, ambulancias. Tenemos otra maíz, ¿no? Voy a meter otra aquí arriba. Creo que más o menos así debería de ser una merda. Vale, dimos a mirar a ver cómo va. Vale, este. Eso. Vamos a tomarlo con calma. Aquí hay 3 hospitales. Y aquí alrededor. Por aquí no hay. Bien. Estamos con tonterías. Vale.
Standing by.
If there's any FTO or crew for that gun turn.
911, what's your emergency?
If there's any FTO or crew for that gun turn, and give us some experience.
5DVO, 10-5 that location. Waiting for instructions. I copy. Going there. Heading over there.
You got any FTOs with a PPO info?
Copy that, guys, over. Requesting air the situation, that's 7 go and going down to the straight pace. So, gotta get,
Reporting. I copy. Waiting for on my way. Case resolved.
Joder, que son muchas calles, ¿Dónde estamos? ¿Qué era esta? Hamburgo. Ámsterdam.
If there's any FTO or crew for that gun turn, and give us some experience.
Ready for the next case. Waiting for instructions. I copy. Going there.
Copy that, guys, over.
Accidente.
Reporting. Understood.
Un paciente. Yo creo que dicen accidente, pero bueno.
Reporting. On my way. Waiting for instructions. On my way.
I'm listening. Heading over there.
911, what's your emergency?
I want to complain about my neighbors. They're being noisy.
What's the address you're calling from?
Eso, ¿dónde cae chamas?
Do you know what's happening at your neighbor's place?
The TV is very loud.
Do you know who lives there?
Some old man. He looks like he's 60 or 70 years old. I don't know him very well. We don't really talk to each other.
Is he often loud like this?
Yes, he turns his TV up loud. Probably because he's hard of hearing. I get used to it when it happens during the day, but I won't tolerate that at night. My children want to sleep.
Does he live alone?
I think so.
Do you know if anybody visits his apartment?
I've never seen anyone who comes to visit him. Do you think something has happened to him?
I'll send the police to check on it.
Thank you. I'll be waiting at my place. Bye.
Muy bien.
Report. Waiting, heading over there.
1125, can you go to the radio room?
Oh, dear.
Waiting. Understood.
What are the orders? I copy. Go in there.
There's nothing here.
What are the orders? Case resolved. Heading.
Sector clear.
113.
Standing by. Negative. I'm understood.
Waiting for instructions.
We're done here.
Heading over there.
113, Lieutenant. That's 1011 on 11650.
Había torcido, vale. Se puede esperar un chisco.
Reporting.
Vamos a mandar este por aquí. Una moto por aquí por lo medio.
Go in there. You got any FTOs? What are the orders?
Waiting. Understood. Reporting. Heading over there. I'm listening.
Vamos
Right
a
away.
mandar este aquí. Ostras, vaya volta. Espera que no voy por ahí.
What are the orders? On my way.
Hostia, tío.
Reporting. 10-4.
Injured on board. Waiting for instructions. On my way.
On air. I'm on desk. 10-4.
Este
What
tío.
are the orders? I copy. Go in.
Waiting for order. Heading over there.
Hostia, tú. Ah,
Reporting.
terrorito.
I copy. Go in there. 10-4.
On air. I'm on desk.
911, what's your emergency?
Hi, there's an unconscious man here.
Caliente.
Where are you calling from?
Around.
Ahí me falla otra ambulancia. Ahí, mira.
Did you see him pass out?
No, he was on the ground when I found him.
Is he breathing?
Wait a second. Oh God, he's not breathing.
Do you know how to perform CPR?
Yes, I'm on it.
Great. Continue until the ambulance arrives.
Hurry.
Got injured. Going to hospital.
Vale, este igual va a empezar la rodilla.
What are the... On my way.
Reporting.
Waiting for heading over there.
Ya está, vale. Este.
I'm listening.
Venga.
113, Lieutenant.
Understood. Right away. Right away.
Ready for the next case.
Ven.
Ready for the next case.
Ven.
Waiting
Mal.
for order. Heading over there. We're affirmative.
Report. Ready. Heading over there.
No.
On my way.
Y
What are you
tipo aquí.
heading over there?
Ahí
Waiting for
está.
instructions.
Ve ahí.
113, Lieutenant.
Posiblemente armado.
Reporting. Heading over.
What are the orders?
Vale.
Reporting.
We're under.
On my stand.
I'm listening. Heading over there.
Reporting. Heading over there.
Waiting for order. Ready for the next case. Medical heading to hospital.
Vale. Ti pasé. Bueno, tenía helicóptero. Ti aquí.
Understood.
Sorry, 10-4. Thank you.
Está bien.
D39 is going to be a 91. I'll pick up an intox.
911, what's your emergency?
There's a strange car parked here.
Where's the car parked?
It's a restricted area.
Can you give me the address of where this car is parked, sir? So what is it about this parked car that has you concerned?
Private cars are not allowed to park here.
Why is that, sir?
It's for safety reasons. Maybe I'm overreacting, but could you send the police to check it?
Sí, sí.
Yes, of course. I'll send the police to check it.
Dame un o algo.
Thank you. Bye.
Sorry, I got the situation on 70 yards. The service
Estos están.
Reporting. Heading over there.
Este está. Aquí tenemos este.
Reporting. On my way.
Vale. Hai un hospital máis preto. O sea, máis preto do centro. Que hai 3 aquí, macho. Un armado. Vamos a probar este. Ahora miramos este.
Reporting. Heading over.
Bueno,
What are the heading
probar
over
este
there?
por esas moscas. Y pasa por medio. Vale. Dos armados.
911, what's your emergency?
Hello? There were some guys here fighting. Can you do something about it?
How many of them are there?
2 men are. Oh, wait. They're not fighting anymore. One of them is lying in the street now. I think the second man left.
Can you give me a precise address of the incident?
Yes, of course. It's at.
So those other guys who were fighting, did you see where they went?
I have no idea.
Could you check his medical condition?
I prefer not to go there. It might be dangerous.
Of course, ma'am. Your own safety is the most important. I'll send the ambulance and the police immediately.
Thank you. Bye.
Waiting for instructions. On my way. Police transport. Ready for the next case.
113 with
Reporting. I copy. Going there.
5 festa.
Reporting. I copy. Going there. What are the orders? I copy. Going there.
Waiting for orders. Heading over there.
56-16 Craft Avenue.
Waiting for right away.
A ver cómo sería por aquí. ¿Dónde iba este?
Shots fired.
Oh.
Requesting backup.
2247 West Monroe. You got any FTOs with PPO info?
¿Cómo va este por aquí?
I'm listening. Case resolved.
Basta.
Case resolved. Case resolved.
¿No?
56-16
Ah, vale.
Avenue. 113.
What are on my way? Standing by.
Ven. Ostras, tío. Casi 60.000 saqué de una. Ok. Vale, llevamos 2 cidades hasta el gran anchoraje. Perfecto. Vamos por partes. 9.000. Vale, porque non estades os aquí non hai, vale. Equipamento de armas son 2. Vale. Estes non sei por onde están metidos. Equipamento non teñen, vale, e vehículos tampouco. E bombeiros 1, 2. Vale, quedarían os 2. Temos todo o equipamento desbloqueado. Vale, creo que vamos a meter chalecos. O que dé. 4. E quedanos 1000 outra vez. Outra vez 1000 sprays, non? ¿Dónde están? Aquí. Así. Vale. Comenzamos. A ver, ¿qué tenemos por aquí? Tenemos 3 destes, sea este grande e 2 pequenos. O mapa é esto. Aquí, e outro por aquí. Vale, bombeiros tamén 2. Ambulancia temos 2 tamén. A min a sensación de que 2 son é pouquiño, pero bueno. Vale, comenzamos. Así levaríamos 3. Es que 2 ambulancias... Ojo, Corazón.
911, what's your emergency?
Hey, there was a robbery
Where did this happen?
around,
La verdad creo que puedo desbloquear os chismes estes.
How long ago did this happen?
a moment ago.
Are your attackers still in the area?
They ran away down the road.
Do you have any injuries?
No, we are fine.
Do you know what direction they went?
I think south.
All right, sir. We'll take care of it. Just wait for emergency services to arrive.
Yeah, I will.
Vale, estas están...
Understood. Right away.
¿Dónde voy? Aquí, vale.
Requesting support. Report right away. I'm listening. Right away.
Waiting for instructions.
Injured on board.
Sorry, 10-4, thank you. Waiting for its heading over there.
Mándalos.
Reporting.
Rush.
Cannot do that. We're done here.
Se saltó. Vale.
Heading over there.
Vamos a mover esto un chisco para aquí.
Got any FTOs with a PPO info?
13 King 84.
5 DVO, 10-5 that location.
If there's any
911, what's your emergency?
Hello? My stomach hurts really bad.
75%.
What's your address, sir?
El mail no puedo poder.
All right. Does anything else hurt?
I vomited half an hour ago.
So, do you have any other symptoms?
I looked in the mirror
Oh,
and
no.
my skin's very pale. I have the chills and I can't stop sweating.
Your symptoms could be signs of something really serious. I'm going to get medical help to you as soon as possible.
Thank you. Thank you very much. I'll wait for them to get here. Bye.
If there's any FTO or recruit for that gun turn and give us some experience.
3 heridos. ¿Cómo que 3 heridos?
We're done here.
Ah, 3 heridos aquí. Ah,
Reporting. Heading
a
over there.
leche.
113 Lieutenant.
E non hai hospital cerca.
Waiting for understood. 1125. Can you go? What are the
¿Esto qué es,
orders?
tío?
Going there.
¿Pero esto qué es?
Police transport.
¿Pero esto qué es?
13 King 84.
Pero se decía eu que un ambulante non chegaba.
10-4, thank you.
Hostia, transporte policial. ¿Pero por qué os estáis llevando? Ay, vale.
what's your emergency?
Hello. There was a car collision.
Where did the collision happen?
Around.
When did it happen?
Just a moment ago.
Are there any injuries?
Yes, 2 people have some injuries.
No.
Are any of the vehicles blocking traffic?
Yeah, both of them are completely crashed.
Do you know who caused the accident?
The other driver. He's obviously drunk.
All right, sir. Please wait for the emergency services to arrive.
Okay, thank you.
On air. I'm on desk.
Ma che non tengo... Non te... Otro?
I'm listening. Understood.
Me falla otro ambulante, tío. Y aquí era... Oh, todo sí. Madre mía. Grabar este país, a ver.
Case resolved. Waiting for order. Heading over there. Heading over there.
¿Dónde hay?
Heading over
Vente para aquí.
I'm right away.
Vale.
What are the orders?
911, what's your emergency?
Hello? I'm a watchman at a construction site, and I just noticed there's a fire.
¿Pero qué te pasa a esta ciudad,
Where is
tío?
it, sir? Sir, what's on fire?
One of the building's roof, it's on fire. I don't know what happened.
Is there anyone inside the building?
I don't know, but I think the workers...
Here's what I want you to do. Find the nearest fire alarm station and activate the alarm.
Okay, fire alarm. Sure thing. Get here fast.
Is the building connected to a gas supply?
It might be. I'm not sure.
What I want you to do, sir, is get help from the workers. Try to locate the main gas valve for the
No,
area.
no lo dabas, tío.
Okay, I know
¿Este
where
qué?
that is. I'll do it right now.
I'm sending the emergency services. Please wait for them.
I will. Thank you.
Madre mía. Vamos a morir todos. Non teño que facer.
Got injured. Going to hospital. I'm listening.
Que dices, tío? No, que va. Este vai ser o peor de todos.
Waiting for right away.
113, Lieutenant. That's 1011 on 11650.
4 posiblemente armados.
What are the orders?
1125, can you go to the radio?
Heading over there.
I'm listening. Right away.
Cambio de estrategia. Madre mía, pero el mundo...
Got injured. Going to hospital.
Sorry, 10-4, thank you.
56-16 Craft Avenue.
Do.
13 King 84.
We're done here. I'm listening. Right away. Waiting for order. Understood. Reporting. Heading over there.
Non c'ero. Mi ma... Non hai un hospital por aquí, macho. Serio, tío.
Waiting for order. Case result. Heading over there. We're done here.
911, what's your emergency?
I want to complain about my neighbors. They're being noisy.
What's the address you're calling from? Do you know what's happening at your neighbor's place?
The TV is very loud.
Do you know who lives there?
A family with 2 children.
Are they loud like this all the time, or is this an exception?
No, they have little children, so normally they're really quiet during the night.
Have you seen anybody suspicious in your neighborhood lately?
Well, maybe. A few hours ago. My intercom was ringing, but when I answered, nobody said anything.
Are you sure that your neighbors are home?
Oh my god. Do you think somebody else might be there? They don't go out a lot because of their little
Joder,
children.
macho, ¿esto qué es?
I'll send the police to check on it.
Thank you. I'll be waiting at my place. Bye.
¿Dónde ve este? ¿Dónde ve este? Tío. ¿Este qué? No, este tocó. Un team man por aquí. Madre mía.
113, Lieutenant.
Es que estoy imposible. Mira, un 7% de eficacia. No puedo. Ni más. No ando gasto. No ando gasto. Voy a mandar aquí este, pero ¿para qué? Mira aquí un chisme de policía. Anda hasta aquí arriba. Que va, este no fa con de tripi.
Shots fired. Requesting backup.
Yeah, I'm leaving Adelaide. That's gonna be a 90 to 1. Shuffle going to the other 10 11. D39 is gonna be a 91. I'll pick up an intox.
10-4.
We're done here. I'm listening. Understood. Reporting. Case I copy. Going. I'm listening. Understood. Waiting for orders. Right away.
10-4.
I'm listening. Understood.
113, Lieutenant. At 1011 on 11650.
Got injured. Going to hospital.
5DVO, 10-5 that location.
Que va.
Got injured. Going to hospital. Reporting. Heading over there.
Madre mía.
Immediate transport. I'm listening. Injured on board.
Vale.
Alade Road.
Yeah, I'm leaving Adelaide.
Waiting for right away. Standing by. Waiting for order. Right away. Waiting for order. Heading over there.
13 King 84. If there's any FTO or crew for that gun turning, give us experience.
Mamma mía, macho. Pero es imposible este chisme, ¿eh? ¿Cuánto sabía?
Requesting emergency medical service. Got injured on board.
36% de eficacia. Foi. Mira, perdimos dúas. Bueno. Non dá unha pedra. Vale. Será o terceiro, non? Vale. Ankara. 4. Ben, ¿qué tenemos por aquí? Vamos a hacer esto, ven. Policía, policía, policía. Oh. 3 armas. Ven. Este es... Este sobra, no sé si. Interesante, voy a meter este aquí. 57. Joder, macho. Vale. Bombeiros. Meter esto aquí. A ver si mirar. Es que valen moito, tío. Valen 2000. Este tal. Non é que digas tío. Son vos. Vale, de este faltábanos un. Pero pasanos como no outro. Bueno. 3 pistolas a compramos. Facemos como sempre, non? Compramos chalecos. Pe, 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 pe. Vale. Usted sprays. Listo. Así que vamos 4, creo, ¿no? Vale. Este es grande. Tenemos 5 de policías. Moto por aquí. Furgón por acá. Vale, fue en coche. Furgón por acá. Vale, ambulancia. Arriba no hay. Tenemos el helicóptero que está ahí. Vale, a dejarlo así. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Aquí tengo que meter este por aquí, este y lo meter. Este queda ahí, ven. Vale, de estos tenemos 4. Tenemos un 2, 3, 4. Vale, más o menos, ¿no? Ven. No me gusta. No me gusta. Vale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Venga. Ya empezamos, tío. Vamos a ver este. Ay.
You got any FTOs with PPO info?
113, Lieutenant, at 1011 on 11652 suspect.
Reporting. On my way. Standing by.
Reporting.
130.
What are the orders? Heading over there. Wait, we're heading over there.
I'm listening. Right away. 911, what's your emergency?
My car was stolen
Where did this happen?
in the middle of the street. While I was standing at a red light, he just dragged me out of my car and drove away.
What's the address of where this happened, sir?
It happened at
So how many suspects did you see?
There were 2 of them.
Okay, I'm gonna need your license plate. Can you give that to me, please?
It's
Está grande de carallo este,
Color is your car?
Por lo helicóptero que creo que
What type
tengo
of car is it?
it was a
bono.
van.
We're notifying the officers in the area now. They'll see if they can find your car.
Thank you. Goodbye.
There's nothing here.
Waiting for instructions.
79337 on in top, please.
Waiting, heading over there.
On my way to the hospital.
Dame, pisando aquí un poco mal.
That's gonna be a 90 door. Show me going to the other 10
¿Qué fue aquí abaixo?
2247 West Monroe.
Antes lo digo, antes pasa aquí una merda. Me cago en...
Waiting for instructions. Heading over
Mira
there.
aquí. Otra mamá.
You got any
Vale,
What are
este...
the orders? On my way. Ready for the next case.
113, Lieutenant.
Object not found.
Waiting for instructions.
We're done here.
No cambia
Heading
moito.
over there.
There's nothing here.
Waiting for orders. Understood.
Ticket. Ah, mira.
Waiting for orders.
Está por ahí.
Right away.
Got injured going to the hospital. 22 case resolved. Waiting for instructions. I copy. On my
There's nothing here.
reporting. On my way. What are the heading over there? What are the orders? Heading over there.
13 King 84.
armado.
911, what's your emergency?
Hello? There are some guys here fighting. Can you do something about it?
How many of them are there?
There are 2 of them.
Duas
Can you
pessoas
give me a precise address of the incident?
pegándose.
Yes, of
Una
course.
pelea.
It's at...
Did you see if they had any weapons?
One of them picked up some kind of club.
Is anybody injured?
Oh my, one of them just fell down. He's not moving.
So those other guys who were fighting, did you see where they went?
I have no idea.
Could you check his medical condition?
I'll do that. What should I do?
Is he breathing?
1 second. Yes.
Does he have any injuries that you can see?
His
Me
face
acabo de
doesn't
hacer
look
una
good,
pelea.
but apart from bruises and a bleeding lip, I don't see any serious wounds.
I'm sending emergency services right now.
Thank you. Bye.
Waiting for understood. Waiting for
Unidad
What
privada.
are the orders? On my way.
I've got a situation on 70 yards, the Civilization Street.
Ready for the next case. Standing by. Case
Ahí
resolved.
está.
What are the orders? I copy. Going there.
Yeah, I'm leaving Ashley. That's gonna be a 90 to show me going to the other 10-11.
There's nothing here.
Hmm?
Sector clear.
2247 West Monroe.
Heading over
Ven.
there.
Sospechoso.
Reporting.
Grabbing over and just getting out of the bait.
On my way. Ready for the next.
We're under fire. Need backup. Need backup.
Case resolved. What are the orders? On my way.
Reporting. I'm listening. Understood. Standing by. Injured on
Oh.
board.
Este de aquí.
Reporting. On my way.
Esto no, mire.
Reporting. On my way. Reporting. Heading over there.
Waiting right away. If there's any FTO or crew for that gun turn and give us a spare.
Reporting. I copy. Going there.
Que fallame algo.
Injured on board.
Reporting. I copy. Going there.
911, what's your emergency?
I want to complain about my neighbors. They're being noisy.
What's the address you're calling from?
My house is at...
Do you know what's happening at your neighbor's place?
some kind of a party, I guess. I hear a lot of voices and loud music.
Do you feel threatened in any way?
No, but the noise is driving me crazy. I mean, it wouldn't be so bad if they listened to decent music.
Are you sure they're breaking the noise bylaws? Is the music really too loud, or do you just not like it?
That music violates the law. It's dubstep.
Miraré
I'll
un...
send a couple of officers over to calm your neighbors down.
Ay,
Thank you. I'll be waiting at my place. Bye.
ya pescado.
On my way to the hospital. Reporting. I copy. Going there. What are the orders? Got any I copy. Going there. What are
¿Serio?
the
¿Qué
orders?
pasa?
Heading over there.
A ver, esto está un poco de aquella manera, ¿Qué? Armado. Bien. Aquí por aquí. Activation. Te cargan ahí.
Report. Heading on my way.
Oh, macho.
On my way to the hospital. Standing by. Waiting. I copy. Going there.
Vale, voy a mandar esta.
I
Eso.
copy. Going there.
Vale.
What are the orders? I copy. Going there. Got any FTOs with a PPO? Standing by.
Posiblemente armado.
On my reporting. Heading over there.
Reporting. Understood.
Waiting for instructions. Heading over there.
What are the orders? I copy. Going there.
2247 West Monroe.
Dame aquí.
Standing by. Waiting for heading over there.
Posiblemente armado. Ahora vamos a grabar este por aquí, este por acá. ¿Esto qué? Un sospechoso. Ti. Ti. Va a ir por aquí, por si las moscas. ¿Dónde?
How long ago did this happen?
Just a few minutes ago.
Do you have any injuries?
Yeah.
Where were you hit?
In my head. I'm bleeding.
Okay, I want you to just stay there and wait until the ambulance arrives.
Sure.
Are your attackers still in the area?
I have no idea. They ran away somewhere.
Did they have any weapons?
Yeah, they had a bat and a knife.
We'll take care of it. Just wait for emergency services to arrive.
Yeah, I will.
113, Lieutenant.
Joder. Ahí toca a mí. ¿Por qué no puedo ir por aquí? ¿No? Sería más rápido normalmente. Mm. 5 feridos. ¿Cuántos contamos? ¿Qué? No sé si le dará tiempo. Aquí. Vale, moitos son de curar, non máis. Vale. Done. Ben. Temos los vais, pero danos igual. Libre. Os 4 están, ¿no? Vamos por la B. Bangkok. Bangkok. Mantemos, vale. 96, 72. Equipamento non hai. As pistolinhas. Ben. E máis. Médicos. Médicos. Mira, temos un para cada. Equipamento non hai, non? Bombeiros, un para cada tamén. Vou levar este por aquí. Para compensar un chisco. Vale, outra vez. Policía. 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 Oh. Igual debería de haber collido os sprays, Yo creo que sí. Creo que era mellor os sprays, Vale. Comenta la spray. Ay, merda. Espera, por. Vamos a sacar las tramadas. Acá. Acá. Venga, esto está todo, ¿no? Mira, aquí. Hala. No tenemos que hacer nada raro. Vale. Deixa mirar. Tenemos 4 patrullas, que son una por aquí. Esta va a estar por aquí. Esta va a estar por aquí. Hay mucho, Esta va a estar mejor por aquí. Esta va a estar mejor por aquí. Va a estar esta sola aquí. Mais ou menos, Vale, luego que aquí hai moitos hospitais. Ben, se hai unha urgencia así rara, desde que hai que levar a moitos pacientes, non hai. O que non hai por aquí deste lado comisarías. Vale, ya temos aquí. Este vamos a deixar aquí no medio. Vale, pues non. Se tires, vas para aquí. Este por o medio. Ese aquí mandaría para aquí en medio. Mais ou menos centrado, non. Ainda así non me gusta moito o chiringuito, Peña, vamos a darche. Imos mirar. Empezamos.
Standing by.
Waiting for on my way.
I'm listening right away.
113, Lieutenant.
¿Dónde va este? ¿También va para ahí? Ah, no.
113, Lieutenant. At 1011 on 11650 Sutton.
I'll get them some company on Central.
Yeah, I'm leaving Adelaide. That's gonna be a 90 to 1. Show me going to the other 1011.
I'll send 3 Houston to that. I'll get them some company on Central.
2247 West Monroe.
5-6-16.
Report. I copy. Going there.
Posiblemente armados.
113, Lieutenant. At 1011 on 116.
We're done here.
Vale, vuelvo para aquí.
Reporting.
Sí, también vuelvo para aquí.
Over there.
Shots fired. What of 10-4?
You got any FTOs with a PPO info?
I'm listening.
Posiblemente armado.
Reporting. I copy. Going there.
Para este tengo aquí hospital ao ladiño. Festa. Volver a este.
We're ready.
1125, can you go to the radio room?
2247 West Monroe.
113, Lieutenant.
Criminal, joder, macho.
What are the
Object not
Mandar este.
What of you? I copy. Going there.
1125, can you go to the radio room? 79337.
Case. I copy. Going there.
Oh, merda. Tiene un tío.
We're 10-4. Standing by.
Estos están.
D39 gonna be a
Ahí.
91.
Vale, ahí vale.
Reporting. Heading over there. Object not found.
Armado, joder, macho.
Sector clear.
Digo, joder, porque vou necesitar transporte. Con a moto non podo.
I'm listening.
Non sei se levar este xa.
Clear. Right away.
Déxame
What are the orders? Heading
a ver este, que non sei se. Vale,
What are the orders?
¿dónde se queda? Vale, chega
I
aquí.
copy. Going. Reporting. Heading over there. Reporting. Affirmative.
79337.
Suspects awaiting transport. Requesting air the situation. We're done here.
Vale. ¿Dónde va la moto? Para acá. Este para a comisaría, deixar o hicho. Ben. Este vamos a levar para aquí de volta.
Right away.
Aero. Mamma mía.
You got any FTOs with a PPO info?
1125, can you go to the radio room?
Todos posiblemente armados.
Reporting.
Vamos a levar este aquí.
Standing by.
Vamos a levar este aquí.
Ready for the next case. Reporting.
Espera aquí un momentisco. Entre.
What are the orders? Affirmative.
No encaja, ¿no?
I'm listening.
Grabbing over. There's nothing here. I guess the situation now.
On my way.
Ahora está aquí.
Waiting for instructions.
Right away.
Digo, porque igual. Ya sé. No, criminal otra vez. Tío,
Understood. Report. Heading over there.
a ti no.
Heading over
De
there.
ahí.
We're done here. Reporting. Heading over there. Reporting. Affirmative.
What are the orders? I copy. Go in there.
Waiting for heading over there. Reporting.
Vale, ti vas a ir para aquí.
I copy. Going there.
Va,
Waiting for instructions. Heading over there.
a ti para aquí.
Affirmative. Waiting
Ti vuelve para aquí.
right away.
13 King 84. 79337 in top 3.
Suministro.
What are the on my way?
79337.
Ready for the next case.
Vale, vale, vale.
What are the
Vale,
orders?
ti vas para aquí por medio. A ti ahora baixas. A vos que, como dices. Más o menos.
I copy. Going there.
Vale, ti baixa.
Affirmative. Injured on board. I'm listening. Heading
Aquí.
over there.
There's nothing here.
Reporting.
Ah, tres armados.
Reporting. 10-4. Injured. Understood.
Misma. Sospechoso.
What are the
Tío.
on my way? On my way.
Yeah, I'm leaving Adelaide. That's gonna be a 90 to Show me going to the other 1011.
22.
Case resolved.
Vale, moto.
Reporting.
Aquí.
Right away.
Hay otro.
1125. Can you go to the radio room?
Vale, el exceso de velocidad es una multa, en principio. Ven, ahora.
What are the orders?
Voy a mandar este para aquí.
Going there.
Standing by.
Reporting.
También podemos mandar aquí.
Waiting for instructions. Heading over.
What are the I copy. Going there. I'm listening. Understood.
Lo debería haber mandado a moto.
113 Lieutenant at 1011 on
Bueno,
Case resolved. Waiting for
vale,
instructions.
para aquí.
On my way.
1120. Waiting right away.
56-16 Craft Avenue. 113 Lieutenant.
2247 West Monroe.
56-16 Craft Avenue. 79337 in top 3.
Vale, este vais a esperar el guion chisco.
Right
Claro.
away.
79337 in top.
Case resolved. I'm listening right away.
Vale. Casualmente sean multas, todo va bien. Vale, este parece que voy bien también. Ven, ti sobre esa.
Affirmative.
13 King 84.
Y más, pero que otra muy rara da esto, Ahí está. Ué. 100% de eficacia. Nada mal, 100% de eficacia y tenemos menos que en otro. Ay. Vale. Vale, Berlín. Déjame sacar esto ya. Pum, 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 pum. Vale. Vamos a meter este aquí. Este aquí. Este aquí. Necesitamos 3 armas. 3 armas. Ven. Ven. Ahora. Médicos. Médicos 99. No. 94. Igualmente non ten. Vale. Así vai. Vamos a comprar chalecos. Dos sprays. Vale, listo. Vale, temos 5 patrullas. Unha moto. Vale, temos 2 furgallas. Furgalla aquí e outra aquí, máis ou menos centrada, ou por aquí. Vale, que estar aí, que está aquí. Abaixo. A moto por aí está ben. Pim. Vale, temos aquí este, vai para este lado. E temos aquí este, que vai para aquí. E ti no medio, así vas a todos lados. Vale, 4. ¿Dónde están? Está só. Vale, aquí. Vale, ti vas a ir aquí abaixo. Ti por aquí. Ahora está así. Vale. Máis ou menos.
What are the heading over there?
Uau.
What are the on my way?
Estamos ben, Esta cousa que arde. Acceso de velocidade, vale. De la moto.
Waiting for a copy. Going there.
Grabbing over and just getting out of the base.
2247 West Monroe. Ready for the next case.
Vale, estoy por aquí, máis ou menos.
Going there. Ready for the next case. 2240 reporting.
Por aquí abaixo.
Reporting. Understood.
2247 West Monroe. Ready for the next case.
Standing by.
Vale, ti aí estás máis ou menos ben. Vamos a meterlo para aquí.
Affirmative. Standing by. Reporting. Heading over there.
Esta creo que non foi moi falla, non? Igual non. É unha moto creo que máis. Vale, pois as moscas está este preto. Entendió este.
What are the heading over there?
Standing by.
Vale, non facía falla.
Waiting for right away. We're 10-4. I'm listening.
Got any FTO reporting? A copy. Going there.
Pues menos mal que non mandei este. Un armado.
Right away. Heading over there.
Injured on board. Got any FTOs with a PPO info? 5DVO, 10-5 that location. Case resolved. Got any FTOs with a PPO?
Humo.
What? A copy. Going there.
Fume. Vou levar este para as moscas. Ah, no creo que falla Fal, pero bueno.
Reporting 10-4. Reporting right away.
Standing by.
Sospechoso.
Right away. Shots fired. Requesting
Ja.
backup.
Waiting for instruction. On my way.
Object not found. Waiting for order. Heading over there. Understood. Object found.
Vale, pero... Este.
Waiting for understood.
Reporting. On my way.
Ostras. Acaba de cogerme aquí a muñeca mima.
Heading over.
Waiting for orders. Right away.
Got injured. Going to the hospital.
11:25.
Vale. Este está... Tiene que patrullar. Patrulla la ciudad.
What are the orders? Heading
Por
over
aquí.
there.
113, Lieutenant.
Sospechoso.
I'm listening.
113, Lieutenant.
Ha sido robado.
Report understood.
Reporting. Heading over
No me
there.
di. Todo vecindad mantén suministro.
Waiting for instructions. Heading over there.
113.
What are the orders? On my way. Case resolved.
A ver, no.
I copy. Going there.
What are the orders?
Quédame aquí.
113, Lieutenant. That's 1011 on.
Reporting. Affirmative.
Espera.
Standing by.
Waiting. Heading over there.
Que me está mandando mensajes a mi mujer. Has visto mi disco. Hey.
Waiting for instructions. I copy. Going there.
Ya, un momento. Hello.
On my way to the hospital.
Ready for the next case.
Heading over there. Waiting for heading over there. I copy. Going there.
Hasta que no nos llegó. Ha resucitado mi vida,
Waiting for understood.
Reporting. Heading over there.
Reporting understood.
Injured on board.
Pues no sé qué voy a hacer.
113, Lieutenant. 113, Lieutenant. That's 1011 on 11652 Sutton.
Waiting for heading over there.
¿Está
Standing
todo?
13 King 84.
Standing by. Waiting on my way.
I'm listening. Heading.
Case resolved.
Posiblemente armados.
What are the orders?
A
Affirmative.
este.
Waiting on my way. Waiting. I copy. Going there.
Vale, tipo abajo.
Ready for the next case.
Tipo arriba.
Understood.
What are the orders?
Y también para aquí.
I copy. Going there.
We're done here.
Case resolved. Case resolved.
I'm listening. Understood. Understood.
Vale, listo.
25 Eagles to the ring. Police transport needed.
¿Dónde?
Police transport. Ready for the next case.
Reporting.
Tío.
Heading over there.
¿En serio?
Reporting.
Estábamos todos a decir... el transporte. Tío, estás ahí o compañero. Ay, carajo.
I'm listening.
Waiting. I copy. Going there.
Requesting support.
What are the orders? I copy. Going there.
Los dos. Va, está perfecto.
I'm listening. Right away.
What are the orders? Heading over there. What are the orders? Injured on board.
113, Lieutenant. 79337 Evelyn in talk, please.
We need an ambulance here. We're affirmative.
tío. Dame un, ahora vas por outro. Veña.
I copy. Go in there. Injured on board. Waiting for instructions.
Case resolved.
Sí. 100% de eficacia. 67.000. 65.000. Eso. Vale, ¿este cuál era? ¿Era Berlín? Sí. Vale, Bogotá. Bogotá. Voy a apuntar aquí. Estamos en Bogotá porque si no, después olvido eso. Bogotá. Venga, a ver, Bogotá, ¿qué tes? ¿Qué metes para mí? ¿Qué tes? ¿Por qué tes tantos vehículos? ¿No tienes cartos? 97. 5, ¿qué decir? No, 97 sí. Vale. Los pistolillas. Dos. Vale, ahora estes. Ti para aquí abaixo. Ti para aquí e ti para acá. Ti, tes, non. Tes. Vale, este. Bam. Ahora. Chalecos. No sé si prefiero los sprays, o cos sprays. Outro máis. Sí, dame máis sensación de seguridade, non sei. É raro. Dame a sensación de que non hai tanta baixa, por así dicirlo. Non hai tanto disparo. Comenzamos. Ai, merda. Non volver. Sí. Dame Bogotá. Desactivei os chats estes. Ai. Paso das chamadas. As chamadas non me gustan nada. Sobre todo es que repites en moito. Vale, que temos? Temos 4 patrullas. Unha furgalla ou unha de ser máis ou menos. Bueno, se me deixa, quero deixala polo medio. Isto que é? Cousa rara, non? Mapa máis raro. Temos este cacho de este distrito. Vale, ambulancias, temos 3. Vale, máis ou menos están colocadas máis ou menos como a mí me gusta. Non é tan grande. Solamente hasta aquí é un mapa pequeno. O que pasa é que ten moitas calles. E ten 3. Vou levar este para aquí arriba. Este para aquí abaixo. Ten moita calle. Vale, igual baixo este coche para aquí. Este por aquí, este por acá. Este está así un pouco daquela forma. Bueno, máis ou menos, creo que así vai ben. Vamos.
Reporting. Affirmative. Good search. Solve the case. Good search. Alright, so we got 11-5. 11-25, can you go to the radio room?
Reporting. I copy. Go in there.
Case solved.
If there's any FTO or recruit for that gun turning, give us some experience. The lost group of individuals that can't follow suspect. Copy that, over. The lost group of individuals that can't follow.
What are the orders? I copy. Going there. 10-4.
Standing by. What are the orders?
Pues.
Heading over there.
We're ready.
Voy a
Waiting
grabar
for
este.
on my way.
Got this thing apparently we got resolved. So yeah, I guess the situation on 70 yards.
O malo que non temos o helicóptero axuda un montón o helicóptero. Ainda que solamente leve un paciente. Co rápido que vai. Fai máis que un destes.
D39 is gonna be a 91. I'll pick up an intact.
Sorry, 10-4, thank you.
D39 is gonna be a 91. I'll pick up an intact.
Copy that, yeah, over.
Got any FTOs with a PPO info?
Reporting. I
Alright.
Going there.
113, Lieutenant.
Este está fuera do mapa, a mí que non me fastidien. Bueno, está fora. Está fora. Vale, este voy a volver para acá.
I copy. Going there.
Reporting 10-4.
3. Está vendo, vale.
10-4, thank you.
Igual podría haberla mandado a este.
Ready for the
Ahora
next.
teño esto valeiro.
Waiting. I copy. Going there.
Vaya volta. Que me estás contar? Coño, unha calle destes o...
2247 West Monroe.
Oh, macho.
We're 10-4.
What are the orders? Heading over there.
Lume carallo.
On my way to the hospital.
I'm grabbing over and just getting out of the bait.
5DVO, 10-5 the location.
Tienes un
I
chispo.
copy. Going there.
707, please.
What are the orders?
113, Lieutenant.
Got a statement from Church on Central Police Department.
What are 10-4? Reporting 10-4.
On air. I'm on desk. 10-4.
707, please locate me to the...
What are the orders?
On air. I'm on desk. 10-4.
Reporting. Sorry, 10-4, thank you.
On air. I'm on desk. 10-4.
I copy. Going there. Reporting. 10-4. Sorry, 10-4, thank you. Heading over there.
Mandar esta moto.
Going there.
Simplemente para que non
Yeah, I'm leaving Ashley. That's gonna be a 90.
conte como desestimado ou como sea. ¿Todo bien? 4 armados.
What are the orders?
13 King.
What are the orders?
What are the orders? 10-4.
Vamos a grabar esto por aquí.
Case solved.
Vale.
What are the orders? 10-4.
Sí, van para aquí.
I'm on desk. 10-4. 13 King 84.
Delayed
Yeah,
road.
I'm leaving Ashley. That's gonna be a 90. Show me going to the...
Waiting. On my way.
Vale.
Affirmative.
Grabar este.
Waiting case. On my way.
On air. I'm on desk.
Este.
What are the orders?
Boulevard. Posiblemente. Bueno, ahora mira por ahí.
On my way. Ready for the next case. On my way to the
Llegará.
hospital.
We're I copy. Going there.
Bueno, ni tan mal, ¿no? Ay, ostras.
707, please locate me to the unit mobile 7I. If there's any FTO or recruit for that gun turning, give us some experience.
Shots fired. Requesting backup.
No sabía.
Standing by.
113, Lieutenant.
Vale, non me preocupa porque temos un hospital xusto ao ladiño.
Wait for the location on the 77I date.
79C37
Mira, dispararon pero nada.
7 West Monroe.
On air. I'm on desk.
Vale, ay, mira, carallo. Este de aquí.
What are the orders? On my way. Ready for the next case.
2247 West Monroe.
Ay, 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 ay. Vale,
Waiting. On my way.
vamos a mandar este.
Waiting for instructions. I copy. Going there. What are the orders?
Ti vas a ir
I copy.
aquí.
Going there. Heading over there.
Ti vais a...
Ready. I copy. Going there.
Waiting for
Ti
instructions.
vas a subir.
On my way.
E ti vas a estar por aquí.
Affirmative.
E ti estás ben aí, e ti estás aquí. Ben. Vale.
What are the orders? I copy. Going Reporting. On my way.
What are the orders? 10-4.
Waiting for instructions. On my way.
Standing by. We're ready. I copy. Going there. I guess the situation on 70 yards, the Civilization Street Denver. Copy that, yeah, don't worry.
Ay, perdón.
We're ready. 10-4.
Injured on board. Reporting. I copy. Going there.
Requesting air the situation on 7 go and going down to straight pace and hold the central.
Reporting. On my way.
Vale.
Suspects awaiting transport.
Sachega,
Case
sachega.
resolved. Waiting for instructions.
Sachega.
Case resolved. What are the orders? On my way.
Vale, labor técnica.
Waiting for instructions.
Por
On my way.
aquí.
What are the orders? I copy. Going there.
Waiting for instructions. On my way. Ready for the next case.
Reporting. Affirmative.
11:25. Can you go see the radio?
Waiting for instructions. On my way.
Bueno.
Sorry, 10-4, thank you.
On my way to hospital.
I copy.
What are the orders? Affirmative.
11:25. Can you go see the radio room? The lost group of individuals that can't find our suspect.
Ready for the next case. What are the orders? Heading over there.
11:25. Can you go see the radio room? If there's any FTO or recruit for that gun turning, give us some experience.
We're ready. I copy. Going there.
Oh.
Standing by. Ready for the next case.
Un tempo. Ay, Madrid. Vaya crack. Ok. Ojo libre. Bogotá o Boston, ¿no? Boston. Bueno, marcamos esto que no nos interesa para nada. Ven, vamos a empezar por los bombeiros. Que total... canto bombeiro. Lo leche. Con 5 unidades. Vale, ¿qué tenemos? Tenemos 3. Vale, mira, vamos a hacer esto. Vamos a sacar este de aquí. Vamos a meter aquí. Este aquí. Así tenemos 2. Vos, espera. Sí, 2 vos. 2 bolsos. Y ahora tenemos. Tenemos 3. Vamos a hacer este con este. Vale. Ahora lo metemos así, así. Vale. Voy a sacar este aquí. Voy a meter así. Uy, este no está ningún. Vale, más o menos. Ok. Vale, luego déjame mirar bien. Estos también tienen bastantes. Vale, vamos a meter este aquí. Este aquí. Este aquí. Este aquí. Vale. Así más o menos. La policía. Y va también. Creo que era Boston. Se va a anotarlo. Porque creo que esta va a ser la última. Boston. La última 12. Boston, 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 Boston. ¿Qué tenemos? Tenemos una moto. Tenemos tata. Vale. Así. Vale, Final Fire ya. 3 pistolinas. 3 pistolinas. Y ahora chalecos. Espera, déjame mirar. ¿Cuál tenemos? Será mejor. Déjame mirar. Vale, a ser. Vale. Necesitamos 6. Son 6 unidades. Vale, 6. Vamos a coger 6 sprays de estos. 6. Vale. Ahora chalecos. Me cartas, caracho. Listo. Venga. Comenzamos, a ver. Uf. Vale. Tenemos aquí. Sí, dijimos antes, ¿no? Tenemos un helicóptero. Este non leva nada, non? Non pode levar a ninguén. Creo que este non transporta. Vale, este máis para búsquedas que é como a moto, máis ou menos. Vale, e a moto unha levar para aquí. Bueno, non. Entón este aquí, este aquí. Este vai quedar por aquí arriba. Furgalla por aquí por medio. Furgalla por aquí por medio. Ti por aquí baixo. Facía falla un aquí. Porque ti se ves para aquí tens que dar toda esta volta. Non podes ir por aquí. Vale, podes ser aquí logo. Este puede ser por aquí y este por acá. Vale, helicóptero de este es por acá. Este voy aquí arriba. Este voy por acá. Estos cuantos son 5. O avión. O avión. Vale. Avión. Voy a salir por aquí. Bien. Quedamos 5. Vale, tenemos aquí un. Aquí tenemos un. Vale. Este es para aquí en medio. Este para aquí. O aquí mejor. Ti para aquí abajo. Ti puedes quedar por aquí. Vale, creo que más o menos está un poco una gran manera, pero bueno.
Waiting for a copy. Going there.
1125, can you go to the radio room?
Misma. 5 first.
Reporting. Affirmative.
If there's any FTO or crew for that gun turning,
I'm heading over there.
Vale.
What are the orders? On my way.
We're done here.
Got injured. Going to the hospital. What are a copy? Waiting a copy. Going there.
Fuego. Lume, carajo. Vale, este motorista.
Case resolved. Reporting.
Este por aquí.
Over there. Got injured. Going to the hospital. Heading over there.
Armados.
I'm listening. Heading over there.
¿Qué?
What are the orders? On my way.
¿Qué pasa aquí? A ver, espera.
Reporting. A copy. Going there. 5DVO. 10-5 their location. 2247 west. Heading over there.
Ostras.
if there's any FTO or crew for that gun turning, give us some experience.
Puta madre.
Waiting for
Ah.
a copy. Waiting for a copy. Going there. Sorry, 10-4, thank you.
Vale, no nos poníamos nerviosos. ¿Esto qué? Todos armados. Les denuncian.
Waiting for instruction. A copy. Going.
I'm listening. Heading over there.
Vamos a mandar este. ¿Dónde está el helicóptero?
Shots fired.
Reporting. 22.
Oh, ah, macho. Oh, lo leche.
Man down. Man down. Reporting. Right away.
What are the orders? That's not possible. Waiting for a copy. Going there.
Ando, no do.
I'm listening. Right away.
Reporting. Heading over there. Waiting for a copy. Going there.
11:25. Can you go to the radio room?
¿Esto qué es, macho? A ver. ¿Qué me queda por aquí? ¿Qué me estás contando?
Ready for the next case.
Report. Affirmative.
Vale.
We're ready.
Vamos a ir por este.
Reporting. On my standing by. Reporting. Got
No
injured.
sé
Going to
dónde
the
va.
hospital.
Shit.
Sorry, 10-4, thank you. Reporting. Negative.
Tío, ¿esto qué es? Madre mía. ¿Qué es esto, tío? ¿Dónde va este?
What are the orders? Heading over there.
¿Dónde va Basto? ¿Qué carajo es esto?
Injured on board.
Waiting for order. Heading over there.
¿Qué va?
Reporting. Understood.
FTOs with PPO?
Order the order. I copy. Going there. Sector clear.
Case resolved.
Heading. Understood.
2247.
¿Qué tique? ¿Dónde están las ambulancias?
Orders? On my way. On my way.
I'm listening. Understood. 10-4.
Reporting. On my way.
If there's any FTO or crew for that gun turning.
Ready for the next case. Heading over there.
¿De qué, tío? Joder. Es marcha. Necesito policía ahí.
Waiting for instructions. A copy. Going there.
Joder, macho. No doy abasto. ¿Esto qué carajo? Macho.
They left our dude. Waiting for orders. Understood. Heading over there. Case solved.
Claro.
Waiting for instructions.
¿Dónde va?
Heading over there. Heading over there.
¿Qué es esto, tío?
On my way. Heading over there. Waiting for instructions.
Medical. Order the order. Standing by.
¡Ah! ¡Ah!
I'm listening.
Ready for the next case.
Waiting right away.
Reporting. Heading over there.
Pasa aquí.
Report. Heading over there. Waiting for a copy.
Waiting. Heading over there.
Waiting for on my way.
Buah, acaba.
Heading in. Standing by.
Right away. Reporting. Understood.
Reporting. On my way.
Vale.
FTOs with PPO info?
Pam, pam. Dame gente. Joder, macho.
Got injured. Going to hospital.
Todo dándome todo,
Got in.
totalmente. Chocho.
Reporting.
Voy a cerrar esto aquí. Anteño, Anteño.
Medical heading.
Carajo. Ay, esto, tío. Estos terminaron. O sea,
Reporting.
We're ready.
haciendo la...
I copy.
Vale,
Going there.
para ir por aquí.
Reporting.
Para ir por aquí.
What are the orders?
Si vas para aquí.
On my way.
Si vas para aquí.
A copy. Going there.
Si vas para aquí.
Dispatch reporting.
Esto que carajo, tío. Ando abasto.
Reporting. On my way.
Vale, ¿qué me queda? ¿Qué me queda?
Waiting for right away. Right away.
Waiting for heading. Ready for
Este
the
para
next.
aquí, este para acá. Uf. Que va, esto no me pago ni de tripi.
Reporting.
¿Esto qué?
Heading over there.
Ven para aquí. Joder, ¿qué es esto?
What are the orders?
Bien.
On my way.
What are the orders? Affirmative. Reporting. I copy. Going there.
Ando. Vale, ¿hay algún que no está a hacer nada?
Ready for the next.
We're ready.
É un motorista.
Ready for the next case.
É un motorista.
Police transport needed.
Reporting.
¿Quién?
Case
Reporting. I copy. Going there.
reported. Affirmative.
Case resolved. Waiting for
Object found.
Case solved. Waiting for order. Cannot do that.
D39 is gonna be a 91.
We're done here. Ready for the next
Joder, macho.
If there's any
Waiting for. I copy. Going there.
case resolved.
Waiting for instructions.
Reporting. I copy. Going there. Report understood.
Reporting. Heading over there. Waiting for. Heading over there.
¿Qué me queda? Me queda este.
We're 10-4.
Este.
Report heading over there.
What are the. Heading
Este.
over there.
Armados.
Waiting
Vale.
for. On my way.
Ti.
Injured on board.
if there's any FTO or crude for that gun turning, give us an
Vale, este qué.
Got injured. Waiting for orders.
Este canto son.
Fired.
Reporting. Right away.
Ostras, mataronme a dous.
Standing by.
That's not possible.
You got any FTOs with a PPO info? Sorry, 10-4.
Dispatch. Reporting officer down.
13 King 84.
Reporting.
Eh.
Ready for the next case.
Reporting.
Estás de coña.
Heading over there.
Case resolved. What are the orders? I copy. Going.
Waiting. Understood. Right away.
Waiting for instructions. Waiting for instructions. I copy. Going there. What are the orders? That's not possible.
7937 I'm grabbing over and just getting out the bait.
Contando, tío.
Wait for the location on the 77 date. 5 stage dash 16 Craft Avenue.
Ready for the next case.
¿Qué pasa aquí?
Cannot do. That's not. Negative. I copy. On my way.
Merda.
On my way. I copy.
Está bugado esto o qué? ¿Qué pasa?
Got injured. Going to the hospital.
Sorry, 10-4. Thank you.
We're ready.
Injured on board.
If there's any FTO or crude for that gun turning, give us an experience.
¿Qué entró morrieron aquí, tío?
Alade Road.
Yeah, I'm leaving Ashley. That's gonna be a 90 door. Show me going to the other 1011. 5 stage dash 16 Craft Avenue. Oh yeah, I'm on that. That boy. 5 stage dash 16 Craft Avenue.
Ah, aquí morrieron unos cantos,
We're done here.
5 stage.
Reporting.
Alade Road.
Yeah, I'm leaving Ashley. That's gonna be
no
a 90
podemos mandar a
Waiting for
todos.
instructions. Heading over there.
Waiting for orders. Heading over there.
Cágate, Lorito.
What are the orders?
2247 West Monroe.
D39 is gonna be a 91.
El 27 de reputación. Mima. Asu. Asu. Mamma mía.
D39 is gonna be a 91. I think I've been in top. If there's any FTO,
Suspects awaiting transport. We're done here.
Mima. Hostia. Nunca tal idea, Joder. Es que é imposible esto, Mira que tiña unidades, pero esto falta de máis unidades. Mima, que de mortos, macho. Espero que contase para os logros. Bueno, deixámoslo aquí, vale? O sea, mañá máis. Chao, chao.